Hi there, students. Ineluctable, an adjective, and ineluctably, an adverb. If something is ineluctable, it's impossible to avoid. It's impossible to escape from. Alcohol did not help him escape the ineluctable reality of his situation. So if something is ineluctable, it's irresistible. Her ineluctable smile made all men fall in love with her. So try as you might, you cannot resist it. Okay, so ineluctable, impossible to avoid, impossible to get away from. We often use this word ineluctable when talking about fate or destiny. So maybe for an alcoholic, drinking is ineluctable. The ineluctable superiority of his enemy meant that he was going to lose. Okay, so eluctable, the opposite, meaning avoidable. It does exist, but it's rarely used. Let's see, he hoped her anger was eluctable and brought her a large bunch of flowers. But in reality, her anger was ineluctable because he had behaved very badly. Inevitable, unavoidable, an ineluctable force of nature. The weather is ineluctable. It will do what it decides to do, and you can't get away from that. Our bodies have the ineluctable necessities of food and sleep. After the scandal, the election was clearly going to be lost. The ineluctability of this loss was clear. Ineluctably, computers are playing a bigger and bigger role in our lives and in our society. So ineluctable, inescapable, impossible to escape from, impossible to overcome. Yeah, impossible to avoid. So, what about formality? I think ineluctable, this is a formal literary word. I'm going to give it something like a 7.5 or even an 8 in formality. I think in an informal conversation, unavoidable, impossible to avoid. Let's see the origin of this word. It comes from Latin, ineluctabilis. In, eluctare, to escape, impossible to escape from. And eluctare, we have the lucta or luctare, to fight against, to struggle against. So if something is ineluctable, it's going to happen. You're not going to be able to avoid it. Do what you like, but you can't avoid fate. And this is the idea of ineluctable. So, this video draws to its ineluctable close. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Ineluctable.